This is a .074 model airplane motor, toy airplane motor from the 40s. And this belonged to my grandpa. I found it in a shaving kit box in our Quonset at our farm. So I'm going to start it up for you. I filled it up with gas. That gas is right behind the motor. It's SIG 25% nitro champion fuel, just a regular model plane thing. And this came with it. It's just a thing that's got a couple wires on it. You hook it up to a D-size battery, or would have been an equivalent to like a lantern battery back in the 40s. So I'm going to try and start it up for you. Just hook up each one of the poles. Turn the gas on. Hope my finger doesn't get chopped off. Ouch. Yeah, and don't play with that at home. Man, I'm lucky I didn't get that chopped off. Talk about jinxing. But that's kind of the price you gotta pay. And that's about as much gas as that thing sucks up in that tank. So, you know, probably get it up in the air, and as soon as you do that, you gotta land it. And the reason it's on this block of wood is because the original plane had done exactly that, ran out of gas in flight, and then when my grandpa tried to land it, it'd crash and break, and he just didn't want to buy a whole new kit again and again and again. So that's that. I hope you enjoyed it.